'Cause let's face it, everyone loves Recycling Day, so be sure to participate.
No one loves Recycling Day. I'm gonna destroy your day with my monster made from white trash. Yes, it will go and seek life and turn it into plastic. It's alive. Go, kill, destroy. Wait, don't kill and destroy me. No, go get GreenTipGuy.
1, 2 plastics coming for you.
Ooh, everyone loves Recycling Day, and I just love to watch them. Are they sorting their plastic correctly? Oh!
3, 4, better recycle more.
Everybody likes Recycling Day. I've got my bottle for recycling. I'm really cleaning up the earth with all my actions. Shoot, Recycling Day is every day as far as I'm concerned.
5, 6, watch out for plastics tricks.
Everyone loves Recycling Day, even when I only have one bottle. Wait, is that Mr. Peterson? Oh no, it's white trash! Oh, stupid shoes! I gotta go! Trash is gonna get me! Gotta get inside. Gotta lock him out. Gotta get inside. Can't let him in. Come on! Yeah, is this even the right key?
7, 8, oh no, it's almost too late.
No, he's coming! Get in there, you stupid key! I gotta get inside! Quick! Let me in! Locked.
9, 10, don't let his trashy self in.
I wonder if RedTipGuy's behind this. What? Oh no! It's white trash! All natural cleaner! Yes! Take that! Yeah! And this! Take that too! Yeah! At least it's over. 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 If I was dreaming, how did this plastic get here?
1, 2 plastics coming for you.